In conventional investment in all areas, no restrictions, no limits, and investment for themselves only and for shareholders. If they have any amount, they are providing loan on interest, they are charging interest. They are investing in all areas like in casino, gambling and this and that. But in Takaful, investment only in Sharia compliant areas. A lot of restrictions and limitations, for example, riba, interest, gambling, haram, speculation, etc. is not allowed. And investment on sharing basis with participants. Remember the last third pool, the blue one, Mudaraba pool. In Mudaraba pool, if there is any profit from investment, yes, they will share with participants, not to take all the money from themselves. Conventional freedom from religious restrictions, guidelines in all activities and areas because it is man-made law, man-made policies. While in Takaful, restricted to follow only the Sharia rules and Fatwa and Sharia supervisory board guidelines in all activities and areas because it is mentioned in Article of Association, Memorandum of Association, that we are bound strictly to follow the rules and regulation of our Sharia board. No Sharia review and audit in conventional. In Takaful we have Sharia review, we have Sharia audit, and you know AGM. What is AGM? Annual General Meeting, when all the shareholders are coming together. And AGM, one report from conventional side is, and that report is from the external auditors. But in our AGM we are reading two reports, one from external auditors and one from Sharia auditors. We are giving the confirmation that there is no haram element, there is no haram income in this year, and if there is any haram income, it goes to charity account. While in conventional, no care of haram and halal, only just money. Finished. Okay, in conventional, no zakat and no charity account. While in Takaful or Islamic banking industry, zakat calculation yearly and charity account. In Takaful also we have a charity account. For what purpose? Because if anything is coming as a haram element, unintentionally, remember, unintentionally, because our all employees are not Sharia expert, maybe someone doing some mistake. If unintentionally anything is coming haram, Dar Takaful cannot use this money, cannot take this money, cannot show this money in financial statement as a profit. This amount will go to charity account. Yes? Okay, while in conventional there is no charity account. Every year we are calculating zakat and we are sending the letter to our shareholder that this is your zakat amount and you have to pay your zakat. While before it was the rule that the bank, Islamic bank, they were calculating zakat and they were paying zakat on behalf of shareholders. But then with the time passage, some shareholder came non-Muslims, so non-Muslim of course they are not paying zakat. Then they changed the policy and now we are calculating and we are just sending the report to all shareholders that this is zakat for this year and you have to pay your zakat by yourself. Now if he is paying zakat, not paying zakat, that is his own headache. Okay, late payment charges considered as a gain or surplus in conventional, while in Takaful there is no late payment charges. There is no, in Islamic bank there is no late payment charges. But we cannot give free hand to people that yes, come and don't pay. Okay, late payment charges or any haram amount goes to charity account. Takaful company cannot take this amount. In case of shortage, interest-based loan provided by shareholder to compensate claims. But in Takaful, in case of shortage, shareholders provides an interest-free loan, yani benevolent loan, yani qard hasan, to compensate claims. And this also, what is the basic issues in both? risk transfer, risk sharing or cooperation, organizations, principles, profit for shareholders only, and here mutual fund for participants, value proportion, profit maximization, affordability and satisfaction, ownership, shareholders only, and in Takaful, participants are owner, shareholders are not owner. Laws, secular regulation, and here Sharia plus country regulation or country law. Management status, company management and Takaful operator. Form of contract, contract of sale, and here Sharia contracts, yani wakala and mudaraba. Now this is very important. In Takaful, nobody is paying premium. Nobody. And just go to dictionary and check the difference or the meaning of contribution and premium. There is a big difference of contribution and premium as per the dictionary. So if someone is not paying premium, then why we name it premium? Insured. In all your documents you are using the word insured and insurer, while in the sketch or in the structure of Takaful, is there any insured and insurer? We are wakil and muwakkil and mudarib and rabbul mal. Our relation is different than the conventional. Then why we are working in Takaful, taking salaries from Takaful and promoting their product and their terminologies? Why? Why we are using conventional terminologies while here is no relation of insured? Okay, who is insured? Tell me. Shareholder? Participants? Takaful operator, who is insured? So it's fake statement. Why you are writing something fake? Clear? Okay, number 3, policy. Yes, policy is acceptable. While we are not selling policy, we are not giving you policy, we are just giving you certificate of partnership in the pool, that you are the member of this pool. But preferred to use certificate, okay, Takaful certificate. But in case we are saying that, okay, just one thing more, most of the people are saying that our client or our customer don't know. Yes, we have the solution. Use contribution, within the bracket write premium, not slash, because in slash you have both options. Okay, go as per the literature, as per the dictionary, as per the book. Write contribution in bracket premium. Then the client will be happy. But don't use only premium. Okay, write participant first, within the bracket insured. Yes, you can take translation, help from the translation to make it easy. Write Takaful operator and win in between the bracket insurer. Okay, then it's okay. But be careful. In Sharia, the terminologies are very, very sensitive. So be careful with your own terminologies and be happy that I have a lot of terminology. I am rich in terminology. I don't need to take anything from conventional. Insurance coverage, because in Islam there is no insurance. And Takaful is not alternative of insurance. Why? Because if I am not sure for myself, how can I give you surety for 365 days? Nobody knows what will happen in next 1 hour. So if I am not sure for myself, how I can give you surety that I will compensate your claim will you do in 13 months? So there is no insurance in Islam. We are cooperating each other. Who will die, who will finish. The remaining people are here, they will cooperate. So insurance coverage. Period of insurance, we have to write period of Takaful. Charges is something Yani the amount you are taking by force. You are charging someone like a penalty, like something obligation. We are not charging anything. We are receiving fee, wakala fee, ujratul wakil, ujra, because we are performing. Okay, several Takaful companies are here. These are re-Takaful companies. Okay. Challenges to Takaful company. First of all, we don't believe and we don't know in which industry I am working and what are the differences. Just tell me, do you observe the differences what I told you today? You were knowing these differences before? Sir? But we are working here only just you are searching a job and just I got a job with a good salary, with a promotion, yes. But I don't believe that Takaful is something different. Takaful is an Islamic company. Takaful, a lot of restrictions are there.
As you said before, we are operator and we didn't see this one because we're not.
Yes, very good. You are operator, but you have to represent your company as per the company policy. What is your company policy, and you are representative of this company. When client is coming, because this session topic was you came late, that what is the difference between Takaful and insurance? Why I have to come to Takaful? This was the question. And the whole 2 session, this is only just to answer this one question, that yes, there are big differences between insurance and Takaful. You got my point? So if the client is coming and the client asking you, inshallah, I am sure that not 100%, but now you will be able to discuss 50% with him. Am I right? And you know 50% minimum, not 100%. While, okay, there are a lot of other details, but it is not possible to cover in 2 hours. Okay, lack of knowledge and education. Companies are not spending fund to educate their employees. And employees having less salary, they cannot afford to go and educate themselves, unfortunately. But here, within the departments, if we are doing training or if we are giving you free knowledge, then please come and take care of this and give value to this. Lack of less awareness in public and staff because of training, because of education, lack of uniformity in Sharia decision, windows issue, service issue, regulatory issue, limited investment avenue, HR issues, and inshallah we will continue these sessions. So if you have any question, you can write me, you can ask, you can call me, you can ask now, and there is a feedback form on your table. So we need your, just don't put only just no, read the question, understand the question, and we need your honest opinion, because we need to make this training more beneficial, more good and more excellent, to be beneficial for other people.